Just want to show you that I did make 155% return in one day. This sounds completely unbelievable, and I want to prove it to you that it did happen. I'm not saying that it doesn't go without risk. Of course it does, going at that rate. But what you can see here is that we managed to return 155%. If I can show you what that looks like, growth, 155% in one trading day. Yes, it's using a small account. It is a live account, but it did happen, and we only had a 1.65% drawdown, which is amazing. And this is available. You can look at this and see for yourself. If you look at the trades, you see all the trades as well that happened in the one day. All the trades which happened. And I'm also going to show you the actual count. So Plexi Trade Server, this is a live account. If you go to history, this is a reused account, which I transferred $59 into to make it up to 100. And you can do all these trades were made, and we made a profit of 155.54, and then I withdrew the whole lot, leaving $100 back in there. So we started off with 100. I've learnt my lesson from these martingale grid systems. I've always mentioned that they will crash, but I didn't listen to my own advice. The FRZ train robot almost hit 700%. It turned initial 600 pounds into 5,800, so almost a tenfold. And the Waka Waka Golden Pickaxe portfolio turned a $1,230 account into 5,000 before it crashed. That was almost 300%. And I didn't take any money out. I left it stupidly in there, and they've crashed, and I've lost all that money, all the money that I made. So I'm not going to make the same mistake again, but I'm also not prepared to wait a year and a half for those kind of results. So I went looking for a really high risk and high reward train robots. Didn't have to look too far because I was contacted by Ming Trader. Ming Trader is the trading robot author that we have looked at in the past. So this is Ming Trader, and we looked at Friday Pro. In fact, I'm still running Friday Pro. Friday Pro is the one system that doesn't use grid martingale. It's managed to return over 437% on the author's account. I've returned a little bit more because I've used my own set files. We also saw AI Momentum Scalper, which was highly aggressive, but had some bugs. And the author sent me MA Momentum Scalper to test and said that this could be the train robot which I'm looking for. And in the back test, $1,000 makes 278,000 with a relatively low drawdown, 5.11% drawdown. So I used this. I noticed that the author did send me some set files, but he's not included this in here. But I can include that if you're interested. And currently it's at an introductory price of $199. And as with all trading robots and trading robot authors, they increase their prices as they sell them. So this has just come out on the 1st, testing now on the 3rd. I put it online on the 2nd, and in one day I've made just shy of this amount actually. It's $155. So I'm hoping today will be a good one as well. And if you're interested, then I do recommend that you should have a look. But it is high risk. This is not for everybody, and you will blow your account. So the only way you get around that is if you make any profits, like I did. You just have to take out. Just have to take it out. Just take it out. So like I've done. I made the profit. I took it straight out, and I've left $100 back in there. And hopefully today we'll get some trades. And if it does make some profits, then fantastic. I'll take the profits out again. But if not, if the count blows, then I've already taken 155. I'm still $55 up, regardless of what happens. But I'm hoping that it will continue to grow. And from the back tests, we see some really crazy results. The account does utilize full margin. The reason why I'm using PlexiTrade is that they offer 1 to 2,000 margin on the accounts, which is much higher than IC markets. IC markets you can do the same, but of course you need to make sure that the risk is lower to get these kind of results. So this is the strategy for now. I will let you know how I get on. I'll drop all the links, all the trackers and everything else that you need to know in the video description box below. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.